the ship. I'm sailing as a chief engineer on chemical tankers, and I have come to know about one amazing product which is Kangen water. And today I would like to demonstrate some tests or drinking water test on board the ship, that we as a seafarers, why we need to drink proper, healthy, good water. So I will be conducting various tests, and as we all know that like all the new worlds on board the ships, they have different grades, or gasoline, oil, or gas or diesel, or they have all different grades. So same way the water also have different grades. So since I have been on board for past 4-5 months, and I have been reading about this drinking water a lot, and different grades. So there are the various books which I have referred, like Confession of a Spectacle Physician by Dr. Tim Backley. I have read this 50%. Then no one else other than Dr. Hiroshina. He is a Japanese very famous doctor, and there is another his book which is Rejuvenation of Enzyme. Dr. Hiroshina, he is a person who has done more than 3 lakhs of colonoscopic, and he is a person who has invented the Shinya method for the operation, for the surgery. Then there is another book about 50% or 40%. I have read this book by Bob Macklin. He is defining about ionized water. And then there is Dr. Dave Carpenter, Change Your Water and Change Your Life. This is also a small booklet which are having a different special points about ionizing water, which helps us to detoxify and keep our body alkaline. And along with that, there are some other testimonials and reports like doctors and scientists on Kangen water. So there are various books here. Then authenticated some other references are here. Then authenticated some research paperwork which has been done by Kaisho University, Japan. There's an authenticated research work, and there are a lot of other documented proofs with me showing that this water is really different water and amazing water. So here we go now. Since our body is having 70% of water, and it's a very essential part to have a right water for our bodies, which can detoxify, clean and rest. So there are about 3 main properties we should know about the water, a good water, healing water. It should have a high antioxidants, it should be alkaline in nature, and it should have a macrocluster property which can penetrate right every part of our body and detoxify it. So here I have put various waters. I have a Enagic Kangen water here. Then I have one sealed water of Botek. This is a Malaysian water. Then another sealed bottle of Espro. This is also sealed bottle here. And then I will be taking a tap water, a domestic freshwater tank which we are using on board the ship. So we will be testing this water also here. So this is our here. We have this water and we test water and salinity and salinity. So guys, you should know about different water purity and using shower and all stuff on board the ship. So these are fresh from the and this is soda. It is since its Sprite is in white color, so it will give you a better effect. That's why I'm using Sprite on board, not Coca-Cola. So it's all every packet on board you get. So we test different waters on board. And first test is of ORP, antioxidants. Our body antioxidants is measured in a value of ORP. ORP is oxidation reduction potential. And since I don't have on board the ORP meter, it is already in my home. So maybe in the next testimonial, I'll be showing you a ORP test of all these waters. So the ORP has to be always in minus, and the ORP signifies your electrical potential in the different water. So the more minus the water value of ORP is, the better it is good, and the more antioxidants it has, and it gives electric charge in our body. So the second test, pH test, I'll be showing you. So I have pH tester by Enagic company. This is a pH tester, small pH tester, you can see. And this is a normal litmus in chemistry lab we all guys do. So here I am using a liquid test, pH test, which I will be putting a drop in different waters, and it will testing the colors of the water. Oh, sorry, there is the there is a sea water as well. There is also a Indonesian water again. Yeah, there is Indonesian water. So I go here. Then this is sea water. Right. So this comes Enagic Kangen water. Since it's already 2 days or 3 days old, so with me on board, I got it from the Mumbai port, Indonesia. So here's a test meter. So let's keep this test meter. So you see, market this comes to the yellow. It's something yellow or which is acid nature. So this is our bottle. The color is somewhere to the near the bottle, somewhere to the 7 and this is your water, which is additional water, which is also something acidic in nature. Now the water comes as your water. This is also something acidic in nature. In between 6 or 5 or 6 value, and now this comes to Kangen water. So let us check how this Kangen water reacts with the pH tester. So you can see as soon as I drop, the color is dark purple. So this is your pure alkaline water, and you have to understand that if you see the pH chart, in that 7 is a neutral, and above 7 is alkaline in nature. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is all alkaline in nature, and it's a purple. So this is a purple color you get in Kangen water, and below that, below 7, it is acidic in nature. So this comes a little bit acidic. This water, all the bottled waters which we are drinking, they are acidic in nature, and the tap water which we are drinking, it is somewhere to the pH. But this tap water, domestic tank which we are having on board the ship, is not an actual alkaline. It is just chlorine is added here. It is a water which we are getting from domestic, from shore, and the shore water is having a chlorine in it, and that chlorine is acidic in nature. So to avoid the acid, this chlorine can corrode the pipe, so to safeguard the pipes, government pipes, which is water is being transported to the consumption of the people, they put a chemical called ley, which is alkaline in nature. So this ley neutralizes the chlorine acidic effect. That's why we get this kind of color from the domestic pressure tank. So this is not an actual pH which we get for a domestic tank. And here you see the soda. So soda is the color is somewhere like 3 to or 2.5 pH or 2 pH, which is very highly acidic in nature. Since the glass is not fully transparent, so it's not visible, but it's very acidic in nature. It happens that people say that if we drink for Kangen water for 1 month, 2 months, and we stop it for another 4, 5 months, and we don't drink if we are on board the ship. So there is no problem if you will stop your Kangen water for some duration if you are on board a ship and you cannot carry the machine. So there is a test here which I will try to show you that even if you drink your Kangen water after some times or 2 months or 3 months, then also your body can become alkaline from acidic. So suppose this is your body which is your acidic in nature, and you are not drinking the Kangen water for about 2 months, 3 months, or maybe something. So as soon as you take the Kangen, suppose you use the Kangen water, you are drinking. So it's a color code, so it will be easy for you to understand. So suppose after 2 months, 3 months, you go back to your home and you again start drinking this Kangen water. So just imagine this again Kangen water you drink after 2 months. So you see people acidic, your body is acidic here. So you can see that your body becomes again alkaline. You see, this is acidic, it was acidic, it became alkaline. So you put Kangen water, so it became alkaline, So it's just that you need to drink Kangen water as much as possible, whenever possible, so that your body remains alkaline. Talking about this soda. So suppose this soda is very dangerous for our body. You have already seen that it's acidic, and you know that the acid present in our body, they are very you are calling, you are inviting the diseases in your body. So all the root cause of cancers and everything is your acidosis. Acidosis, acidic body. So since all food we are eating in India or anywhere in the world, they are acidic in nature. So they are promoting the illness. And this is the acid, and this is soda. And if this is all, suppose this is your alkaline body, and then you eat, if you drink little bit of soda, so just see that it converts, you can come close. You can see that it converts your body into acidic. So this is soda, and you see this is already a little bit alkaline in nature. So you drink little bit of soda, your body converts into acidic. Suppose this again alkaline, your body is alkaline, and you drink little bit of soda or any coke or any aerated drinks. So they are so dangerous that it will convert your body back into acidic. Now this is your alkaline, even alkaline water. This is alkaline. If you put little bit, even a small drop of any soda water will convert your body into acidic. And you need 33 glasses of Kangen water. 33 glasses of Kangen water to convert this small amount of soda from acidic state to alkaline state. So the root cause or main cause is that you are drinking most of the time this soda, which is making our body acidic. First drink any person or any seafarer. Third property or microcluster property that the water should have an ability to penetrate into all nerves and veins, and we will check which water can do a better job to detoxify and flush our body. See that we take green tea bags. So we'll consider this green tea as our body, and we'll be putting this tea bags in our water. So this is a normal room temperature water. We know that if we need to make a tea, we need to boil the water, make water hot, so that it can do a better job. So you can see here, the import is water on this water, and you can water, this is here, water easy, that import is water, this is and this is only 2 or 3 days old water. So there is a slight color change. Since if I would have taken a fresh water from the machine, then immediately the color would have changed like this. And in this tea bags, there is a slight color change. So you can see a color change on this. So even if we put this Kangen water in a different bags, so we can make out that this is changing the color here. So it is understood that we can make as number of tea as we want. We can make it out here. So I'll give you some rice. I have taken some rice and beans with me. So to see the penetration of this water, we will try to put some Kangen water in the beans, rajma, what we call rajma, and you can see that within 5 to 10 minutes, this rajma can become soft. So the penetration power is much more better. And then this is 8.5 pH taken 2 days back or 3 days back. So that way it may not perform so well, but if a fresh Kangen water we take, then it will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes to make this rajma very soft. And here I have 11 pH, small 11 pH. So this 11.5 pH is very good for removing oil-based pesticides and cleaning. So we can take a rice and we can just put a little bit of 11.5 pH. It was also so we see that how much of this, and then we can have a test of oil test. You can see that since all our food and all our vegetables are oil-based, they don't have water-based pesticides. They are oil-based pesticides, and they are very difficult to remove. So to remove oil-based chemicals or spray on these vegetables which we are eating, so we can do a small test, oil test. So it's like a oil. So after taking a water, so it's like a the water is not taken as a since the density of the water is very low, it's only 25 density, and water density is 1. So you can see like 11.5 pH of Kangen water. So let's see what it does. So you can see clearly the water gets purely emulsified. It removes all the oil-based pesticides, germicides, and herbicides on these vegetables and everything. So you can clearly see that the difference between a oil test, that oil in the normal water, the oil will float because of difference of density, and you can see the density of a water produced from the Kangen water. So here you can see a clear emulsification and breaking of a cluster of oil, and it will remove all the oil from any kind of vegetables or anything. I don't have sufficient water here, and I will try to put this water
this subtitles and this different packages and then I can over normally over by this perhaps I put it. So here you can see the normally and this is normally over and this is other package being
And just we can wait for 5 minutes. We
can see this working on this so I'm seeing some so
11.5 pH. Let's wait for some minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and we will see that. And this kind of 11.5 pH, this Kangen machine is mostly used in around there about more than 32,000 restaurants. They are using this Kangen Enagic machine and using 11.5 pH to clean their vegetables, because when they clean the vegetables with some kind of water which can remove the oil-based pesticides, then the foods or vegetables become much more tasty in the restaurant. Most of the hotels and everywhere nowadays they are trying to put the Enagic Kangen machine so that their food can become much more tasty. So not only this, in the hospitals also in Japan there are about more than 6,000 doctors. They have endorsed this machine and they are using this as a medical device, and they are treating the people in Japan. So this has a very good medical effect and very good health effect on our body. So if we see after 5 to 10 minutes how this is so now this makes clear that 11.5 pH of Kangen water can remove the pesticides, germicides, oil-based chemicals from the vegetables. So which and when you with Rajma, it's a healthy, if you see the 5 minutes. So if you can come closer, I can show you that they have tried to become a soft little bit. Since the water is quite old, 2 days, so it's not performing in that way. But still, I can feel some softness. And you see, I think this you see, I put 11.5 pH on a normal water. It has emulsified the oil over here. The normal water, and this is the Kangen water. So you can see that Kangen water is much more removes dirt than your clean water over here. 12th of November 2018. Again, I would like to show you another demonstration of drinking with alcohol. So here I am having a whiskey. I'll pour a little bit of whiskey here in both the glasses. Here you can see, and this is a whiskey, small bottle of whiskey, just for testing purpose. It is empty, and these are and this sea bottle is a normal bottle we get on the ship and buy it on the ship. So this bottle, so you go, you can see that this bottle here, and I can put it and all that. So you can see this acid nature. So what this bottle alcohol 50, it is acid nature. Now we take a kind of 9.5 yeah, and we try to mix this water. We pour a normal water, and this is acidic in nature, and this is water with a Kangen. We can try to do a small test with a pH tester. pH means potential hydrogen. Tester is a small liquid, same liquid. We put it. It is plus is acidic. Bag of pH. And we put it. It is you can see the seal. It is around 90. So you can see kind of on this pH tester. If we drink Kangen water with alcohol, with whiskey, or with vodka, or anything, that means it will have a better effect. It have better penetration power, and it will give a very good kick if you drink Kangen water with alcohol. But if you drink any alcohol with a normal mineral water, so it remains acidic, it spoils your body health, and it does not penetrate and does not give a very soothing effect. And even when you drink with this, you will not have a hangover next day in the morning. So it's much more better to drink your alcohol with Kangen water.
Change your water. Change your life.